Title: The 50/30th/20 Rule Explained Simply. Most people don't struggle with money because they don't earn enough. They struggle because they don't have a simple system. In this video, I'm going to explain the 50/30th/20 Rule, one of the easiest and most practical budgeting methods anyone can use to manage money, save consistently, and build long-term wealth. Let's break it down step by step. The 50/30/20th Rule is a simple way to divide your income into three categories: 50% for needs, minus 30% for wants, minus 20% for saving and investing. That's it. A clear structure that helps you control your money instead of wondering where it went. The first category is needs, which should take about half of your income. Needs are expenses you must pay to live and function, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance, minimum debt payments. These are essentials, not luxuries. A good question to ask is, if I stopped paying this, would my life be seriously affected? If the answer is yes, it's probably a need. The second category is wants. This is the money you use to enjoy life: eating out, entertainment, shopping, streaming services, vacations, hobbies. Wants are important. Money isn't only about survival, it's also about living. But the key is balance. When wants start taking more than they should, savings disappear. The final category is the most powerful: saving and investing. This includes emergency fund, retirement accounts, index funds or investments, extra debt payments. This is the category that builds your future. Even if you start small, consistency matters more than the amount. Saving and investing regularly builds momentum, and momentum builds wealth. Let's say you earn $3,000 per month after taxes. Using the 50/30th/20 Rule, $1,500 goes to needs, $900 goes to wants, $600 goes to savings and investments. This simple structure keeps your finances balanced and sustainable. The 50/30th/20 Rule works because it's simple. You don't need complicated spreadsheets. You don't need to track every single cent forever. It gives you structure without making money stressful. And most importantly, it ensures you're always building your future while still living your life today. If your needs are currently more than 50%, don't panic. Many people start that way. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is progress. Over time, you can reduce expenses, increase income, or adjust your percentages gradually. Financial growth is a process, not a race. Money management doesn't have to be complicated. The 50/30th/20 Rule isn't about restriction. It's about clarity. If you found this video helpful, remember, thank you for watching Patient Growth.